Hi, it's Stacy at Wayside Garage. One of the questions that we get often is, why do I need to pay for testing? We actually had a client come in with a Ford Fusion that was having an issue with the airflow in their vehicle. And we had our technician go in and do some testing and found that the actuator was defective. Now, he was not very happy because of the fact that the actuator that needed to be replaced was behind the glove box. The thing is and that he was not aware of is that there are actually 3 actuators on that vehicle, and each one of those actuators, depending on which it were, would make a huge difference in what the cost to repair would be. So my technician actually went through, we plugged in the scanner and scanned the computer for codes so we could verify if there were any trouble codes. And then he went through and there were no codes. At that point, we went into testing the HVAC circuit, which is the heating and ventilation circuit, so that we could test and see where the issue is. We went through and traced and tested the wiring, along with testing the electrical connections for each one of the actuators. We did find that the actuator that was behind the glove box was the defective actuator, got that replaced, and he left happy. The reason why there is a cost for testing is not only does it take the proper equipment to find the problem, it actually takes the technician's knowledge in order to correctly replace or repair the component. We don't like to just throw parts at a vehicle. We want to make sure that we're fixing it correctly so that way you don't have to spend extra money on parts that are not necessarily needed. So if you are having any concerns or any questions, we are happy to help. Give us a call at Wayside Garage. Our number is 831-899-2425. We're in Seaside, California. If you would like to schedule online at www.waysidegarage.com, you can schedule. And if you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.